Hello everyone. So this is the video lesson 13 and there are some more tutorial problems related to the parallel thin film interference. Okay, so these are the basic formulations, the reflected case and the transmitted case, and there are some conditions for the bright intensity and the low intensity. Let's take the numerical problem number 8. The light of wavelength 5893 angstrom is reflected at nearly normal incidence. Okay, so this is the case of reflection. Reflected word is used here, and this is the case of normal incidence. That means I is equal to R is equal to 0 from a film of refractive index 1.42. What is the least thickness? Okay, least thickness means n is equal to 1 of the film that will appear bright or dark. So there are basically two numericals. First of all, we calculate the thickness for the bright condition, then after we have to apply the dark condition, and again we will apply the concept for the thickness calculation. Okay, so lambda is given in this question, so it is given in angstrom, so we convert it in meters. Refractive index is 1.42 and for least thickness n is equal to 1. Here normal incidence case, therefore I is equal to R is equal to 0. Okay, so let's take the first case, means bright. So the condition for maxima means bright band in the reflected light is, this is the part difference, effective part difference is equal to the even multiple of lambda by 2. So this is the condition of bright. Okay, solve it. It is this. Solve it for the t value and let's put the condition. Okay, cos r is equal to here 1 and n is equal to 1. So it transform t is equal to lambda upon 4 mu. Put the value of lambda 4 multiplied by the refractive index and solve it. So the thickness is 1037.5 angstrom. So this is the least thickness for the reflected light for the bright band. Okay, so in the similar way we apply the condition for minima. So this is the part difference in the reflected light and this part difference is equal to twice n plus 1, odd multiple of lambda by 2. Okay, so we apply the condition for the least thickness, n is equal to 1, normal incidence. So the condition is, so the t value is lambda upon twice mu. We put the different data given in the question and the thickness is 2075 angstrom. So this is the, these two are the answers. Okay, let's see the another problem, numerical problem 9. Okay, the white light is incident. White light means multiple wavelength. Okay, there may be lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, many wavelengths. Each wavelength will produce its own interference pattern. Okay, in the reflected as well as the transmitted light, and the observer will see the combined effect of all wavelength. There are some possibilities of the overlapping of the one band to the another band of some wavelength to the another wavelength. Okay, so that like of the question is this: white light is incident on a soft film at an angle of sine inverse 4 upon 5. So this is the angle of incidence, I is equal to sine inverse 4 upon 5. That means sine I is equal to 4 upon 5. But we want cos r value. So we have to calculate the cos r value as the previous video lesson. And the reflected light is observed with a spectroscope. Okay, so this is the case of reflected light. It is found that two consecutive dark bands corresponding to this wavelength and this wavelength, there are two bands. Okay, so we have to apply the two conditions and both are dark, and then after we solve it. If the refractive index of the film is 4 upon 3, calculate the thickness. Okay, so let's see here. The angle of incidence is I is equal to sine I is equal to 4 upon 5. So by the help of the Snell law and some trigonometrical relation, we can obtain the cos r value. The cos r value is equal to 0.8. We will use whenever we required it. Now the condition for minima. Okay, so this is the part difference, and we equate part difference equal to odd multiple of lambda by 2 and solve it. The final condition is this. Now if n and n plus 1 are the orders of consecutive dark bands for the wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2, then so this is the equation written by the help of this equation. Okay, this is the equation written by the help of this equation for the lambda 1. Okay, the order of lambda 1 is n and the order of lambda 2 is n plus 1. So now write the same condition for the lambda 2 wavelength. The order will be changed. The order is n plus 1. Other things will remain same. Mu t are the property of the film. They will not change. Cos r will not change. Okay, so only order and wavelength will be changed. Okay, so the left hand side of these two equations are equal. So let's compare the right hand side of these two equations. So what are the right hand side? So twice n lambda upon 2 and 2n plus 1 lambda upon 2. We solve it and calculate the n value. It comes 60. So you can put n value to either one this equation or this equation. Okay, so you can solve it for the t value. Okay, thank you.